Samsung Galaxy A72 4G with Snapdragon 720G system on chip spotted on Geekbench. The Samsung Galaxy A72 is thought to have been spotted in a new Geekbench listing, which suggests the smartphone could be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G system on chip for a 4G variant. A recent report had claimed that the smartphone will be launched in both 4G and 5G variants. Rumors also suggest that the smartphone will have a 64 megapixel primary sensor in a quad-rear camera setup. As per the listing in Geekbench, a phone with model number SMA725F, believed to be the Samsung Galaxy A72 4G, could come with a 8GB of RAM and Android 11. The phone gets a single-core test score of 526 and multi-core test score of 1623 and is listed with Qualcomm processor codenamed Atoll, which is associated with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G system on chip. The Galaxy A72 4G Geekbench results are quite similar to those of the Galaxy A52 4G, which was recently spotted on Geekbenching market with the Snapdragon 720G system on chip. Over 60% of cybercrime complaints in 2020 linked to financial frauds. 60% of the cybercrimes linked in 2020 were related to financial frauds, said by the police in New Delhi. The Delhi police said a theft was witnessed in the instance of cybercrime during the coronavirus lockdown. 24% of the complaints were related to social media, primarily online harassment, and the rest of the 14% were related to crimes such as hacking and data theft. Among the complaints were received by the cybercrime, the predominant ones are the online financial frauds, accounting for around 62% of the total, the statement said. Several cases were registered in matters related to tech support, immigration, and IRS call center scams, and 125 were arrested. These fake call centers were being used to cheat foreign nationals. Mi11 is all to set launch on Monday, December 28th, and Xiaomi CEO Li Jun has now confirmed that the flagship phone's retail box will not bundle a charger inside. Jun says that this move has adopted to reach its environmental goals. While reducing the carbon footprint is a wise goal to have users who don't have an old charger at home will have to buy a new charger separately at an additional cost. Xiaomi has mimicked Apple's strategies with this move after the latter shipped its iPhone 12 series phones without earphones and charger. In the same way, Samsung is also expected to not to ship a charger with its upcoming Galaxy S21 series smartphones. Airtel beats Jio V to add over 3.67 million mobile subscribers in October 2020. Airtel has once again surpassed Reliance Jio by adding more than 3.67 million new wireless subscribers in October, according to the telecom subscription report released by the TRAI. Airtel added 1.45 million more subscribers than Jio, that managed to add 2.22 million wireless subscribers in the same month. Airtel also continued to hold a dominant position in terms of active user base, with 96.74% active subscribers on its network. The latest data provided by TRAI shows that the wireless subscriber base of Airtel reached 330.28 million in October, up from 326.66 million reported for the month of September. This brought the addition of 3.6 million new customers in month of October, which was the largest by any other telecom in that span. Odisha launches career portal for students in collaboration with UNICEF. The Department of School and Mass Education, Government of Odisha, in collaboration with UNICEF, has launched a career portal for secondary and higher secondary students to help them with expert advice on their future careers. The portal can be accessed through the website www.odishacareerportal.com with the student ID and password. The portal will provide easy access to information on their careers and will give the students an opportunity to interact with teachers. Students will also able to access career guidance services through a mobile friendly app created specifically for Portal.